baby. You almost done? Oh, thank you. Ouch.
Ow.
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 Ow. You're brushing your nice teeth. That's polite. You all done? No. Time to go to bed, Muffin. Don't paint your head. That's a paintbrush. It's clean. No, no, no. Brush your teeth. That's your hair. Here, do you want the hairbrush? Brush your hair. Muffin! You look very pretty. Can I brush it with a hairbrush? Yes. Okay, we're all done. Time to shut the water off and go to bed. You're very pretty. Oh! Put your toothbrush away now, Muffin. It's time to go to bed. Let's put it down, please. Thank you very much. Thank you. All done. Come on.